Oh. Hey guys, how you doing? Today I'm going back to my roots, that is Curaçao, so we're making Krioyo. So yeah, today I'm gonna make a dish. I'm also combining it with a semi-challenge, as I'm making a dish made by Eugenie, which was especially crafted for her Insta page called Caribense. It's in the description below, go follow her. So the dish is called Moch'i Piska, which actually translates to fish cuts. So that's exactly what we're gonna name it, fish cuts. So I did some slight changes to the dish itself, and I hope she doesn't crucify me for the changes I've made. You wanna know how I did it? I'm Cosito. Let's go! Let's quickly start with the ingredients you need. I'm using a whole fish called Dorado, also called the Mahi. Also 2 limes, 1 for cleaning the fish and 1 also to use in the dish itself. You have 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tomato, 1 bouillon block, 1 fish bouillon block, 1 onion, and also 1 shallot. 1 paprika, also rice. You actually already know how to cook rice. If not, just click the suggested video on the screen right now. Next, for garnish, an avocado. For a bit sweetness, Ketjap Manis. Also some tomato sauce and also plantain. This plantain is a bit on the green side though, but if you cook it in oil with salt, delish. Finally, let's move on to prepping the fish. Nothing of the fish goes to waste. We're gonna use everything of it. Benny did not die for nothing. The fins, the head and the tail, I'm going to use those to make a fish stock. But probably not in this video. So I'm gonna freeze those in and save them to use them when they are needed. Now let's chop up our mochis, which again means fish cuts. With the hacking knife, I'm going to chop up 5 cm thick pieces. Kids, be careful with your fingers when chopping up the fish. After the chopping work is done, we need to wash the fish and also let it sit in lime water for at least 10 minutes, such that it can soak up all that sourness from that lime and also be clear of any impurities. While the fish cuts are cleansing, you can use that time to set your rice. Click that suggested link above for my quick and easy way to cook rice perfectly every time. We can now continue on to prepping our veggies. Just cut them in small pieces, which is another great moment for you to practice your knife skills. We need to also slice up our plantain. Start by removing the ends and slice your knife down the back of the plantain and then release it from its peel. For the actual plantain slices, you can just improvise here. I like long diagonal slices. The time has come to drain the fish and also put them on paper towel to dry off the excess water on them. Just lay them down flat on a paper towel and also pat them down with another paper towel. With the fish cuts all dried up, it's time to season them with some salt and pepper. Be generous with your seasoning if you want some good flavor in that fish. Then get a hot pan on to brown off your fish cuts. Note that I'm using fish that can cook quite fast and I don't like oiled up fishes, so this is just a quick sear. Your preferences may lie differently. I sear mine for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. They'll come out looking like this. Moist.
Then into the mouth. Nice.
With the searing of the fish, it left a crust in the pan, which is called a fond. This fond we're gonna use as a base for our sauce. Start by cooking off a knob of butter. Then mince in the cloves of garlic. Following that, add the shallots and onions and cook them off for about a minute on a medium heat. After that, add the paprika in and cook it off for about 30 seconds. At this point, the rice should be done, so check on it. And to the veggies, add 1/4 of the fish bouillon block for added salt. And mix it all together, where then you're gonna pour in about 2 tablespoons of your Ketjap Manis. cook the ketjap manis for another 30 seconds, then add about 4 tablespoons of your tomato sauce. Note that the fond is slowly releasing from the bottom of the pan, which is also incorporated in the sauce and also adding more flavor. Mix everything together, then add a cup of water to the sauce, which will then help to release and incorporate the fond in the sauce completely. At this point, add the chopped tomatoes to the mix. Also, use this part to taste the sauce and add anything to configure the sauce to your liking. Then just let it sit and reduce down for about 5 minutes, and then finito, it's done. While the sauce is reducing down, I also use that moment to add a bit of lime juice for that added sourness. Also, put on a hot pan with oil just to cook off your plantain. Just cook these off to your liking. This will take about 5 minutes or so. Now it's time to assemble everything together, pour the sauce on, and taste. Look at that. Ain't it gorgeous? Okay, come on. Let's taste. Beautiful rice. To be quite frank, I was starving and the smells coming out of this dish were delicious. Let's just finish this up so I can devour this plate of food. Yum! Oh wait, before I go, don't forget to sprinkle a bit of that lime on the fish for more flavor. Okay, I'm done. Bye. Simple, delicious, and also beautiful. Be sure to visit Eugenie's Instagram page, Caribinse, for more nice recipes and also Krioyo recipes. For this recipe, you can visit the description below. It will be listed there, and also check out my channel for more cool videos on different recipes. Like this video if you have enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. This has been Cosito's Kitchen and showing you the difference between a chef and a cook. Take care, guys. Peace.